We're about to head off for a beach day. It's currently Sunday. Just grabbing Cosmo's collar. Let's go.
You're next.
Oh, I actually need my legs there. They're really sandy.
Alright, I'll get your feet.
Oh, that's perfect.
Okay, good.
I am literally the definition of a drenched or drowned rat, whatever you want to call it. So I'm having this straight in the shower. This lighting is awful because there's so many windows behind me, so you'll have to see my chins for now. But I'm just having some chocolate caramel tart with some whipped cream, and Rowan is out the back building the little couch bench thing that we're gonna have here. And yeah, that is pretty much the end of our beach day, and thank you so much for coming along with us. I'm just editing this video and I just want to jump on and say thank you so much if you've made it to the end of this video, because I'm trying to figure out the best way to take my channel. And as much as I love filming the weekly vlogs, I know that weekly vlogs aren't for everyone, and I do want to switch up my content a little bit. So this is just a little day in my life instead of a week in my life. Also, sorry if it's a little bit loud in here. I set the smoke alarm off cooking sausages for lunch, so all the windows open and yeah, heaps of cars going past. Anyway, getting to the point, thank you so much if you have watched this far, and I will see you with some very new exciting videos and content in the next coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you so much for coming along for all my videos so far, and I will see you soon. Bye!